welcome back to Kotten Bellies YouTube channel. We are going to be making a toy soldier today. So this is going to be the very first toy soldier that I've ever made. So I thought we would do it together. So basically the body of it is going to be my chubby pattern. So it'll be like a 21, 22 inch doll depending on how big the head gets. I have Beryl helping me today. If anybody wants Lock, Shock, and Barrel, they're still on the website. Ready for Christmas. So we're going to use Beryl as a guide for the toy soldier, and we're going to make his outfit just like we made Beryl's outfit. I mean, he won't have bones, but this is what we're going to do. So he's going to have pants and a little shirt. As you can see here, pants and a little shirt. We're going to have to modify the shirt because we're going to have two different colors here. So one will be red, as you can see here, and then this will be blue, the little flap on top, and then it'll have an opening here at the front, kind of will come this way, and he'll have white pants and he'll have black shoes and even a little hat. So that's today's goal. Let's see if we can get him done today, or at least able to somewhat tell what he's going to be. Okay, let's get started. Okay, it's been about an hour and I've got the body sewn up for our little toy soldier baby. So we're going to move on to the clothes now. We are starting with the pants first. I got the pattern here, and then this is the first part. I'm going to add this cute little ribbon down the side of each side of the pants. So I've got one side done, and I've got this pinned on to sew this side. So the pants are very nearly done. So it's very possible that this little toy soldier baby could be done tonight. A few moments later, the pants are done. They're so cute. They got their little stripes down each side of the leg, and they're so cute. And they're just him. They're going to be like just easy slip-on pants. So, okay, I am going to take a quick break for lunch, go have a little bowl of chili, and then we'll come right back and we'll work on his shirt, which is going to be the longest process, I think. Okay, be right back. Alrighty, welcome back to our after lunch sewing project. All right, so now we're moving on. We have the pants done. We're going to move on to the jacket here. So we've got the jacket outlined from the pattern. We're going to need to split this center front up, and then we're going to add this little, I don't know what they're called, but this little blue part will go like here, and then we'll have buttons, snaps. I'm not 100% positive just what we'll have yet, but that's what we're working on now. I'm thinking about putting a collar on it, but we'll see. We'll see what we do and how fiddly it is. And also, I'm thinking about adding the white cuffs to it as well. Again, we'll see where we're at. So let's start on the shirt. All right, a quick check-in to see where we're at. This is this little part right here. So I'm thinking of putting the snaps. I'm thinking I'm going to do snaps, like yellow snaps that'll match the gold. That will go up here, and that way you can just pop, 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 and then open it. And then that way I line this with white so that I can tack it back like this. You see? And then I gave it a cuff, and I'm hoping that'll work. I think I might put a big gold button on those. We'll see where we're at. And then this is the collar. I wanted it not to be full here, a full collar. So I had it like it'll come around like this, I think, on the baby. So that's where we're at, and it's coming together. It's coming together. Will the entire doll be done this evening? No. Well, that's probably going to be a tomorrow thing. But I think we can get really close. And I think I'm going to put this here on the... Whoops. Yeah, that's right. Like right there. And then, because you can cut them, I thought about maybe putting single ones. Let's see if I can find it. Like a single one between the buttons. You know, like a crisscross, like ding, ding, yeah. We'll see. We'll see where we're at. But here we are. I thought I could get it done tonight, but I'm farting around a little bit too much with the trims and things. So this might be a 2-dayer. It's 2:35 as I am getting this part done. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, I think that I like it like this. Can you get the idea here? And then where these meet, we will have snaps. I think that'll be adorable. And then this will be his little epaulets. I'm trying to figure out a way to make fringe, but he just may not have fringe. I don't know. But it's so cute. I think it's going to be adorable. Just adorable. So I don't know if you can see it. I can't get it all in frame here. But just sweet. Take my word for it. So, okay. Let me finish this up. And we might catch up in the morning because it is 2:50 now. And I have things that I need to do around my home. So, like kitty cats and stuff. So, let me finish up this. We'll probably just stop on the shirt today. And then tomorrow we'll start in on the hat and on the boots. Okay? So, I'm going to end it here for this video, part 1. And then we'll catch up on part 2 tomorrow. Okay? You guys have a great evening. And we'll catch up tomorrow. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right. Bye.